Okay, so we got a very interesting clogged sink here. This is not a typical sink. We're gonna have to move this because we're gonna need, unless you think, can you pull that trap off?
Yeah.
But I don't even know if we'll be able to see the vent. You get what I'm saying? Oh, just dirty arms over. All right, that works. That works. That works. So what we're gonna do is, there's no hub bands that I didn't see, so we're gonna pop these no hub bands off. And yeah, and let's throw this, because there's gonna be water in there. I don't know if that's, there we go. That's gonna, the water's gonna fly out of there for sure.
Do both?
You can, yeah, just the bottom one, and then the first one on the back band back there. This is the only place I've ever seen a sink like this. There you go. There you go. There you go. There's probably gonna be water that flies out of there. No, maybe not. Yeah, a little bit. It's not bad. Damn, that smells awful. It's just a bunch of grease, huh? That smells really bad. Oh shit. Maybe try squeezing the sides. There you go. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Plumbing with the rollie on right there, dog. Damn. Got you. Go around. There we go. So I got the 1/4 inch in there with a little kink on the end. That should work. This is a pretty rigid. Yeah, it'll work. It'll work. It just dirty arms over. So once you get it in there, it most likely won't go around the bend. But if you stick it in as far as you can, and then you lightly press the trigger on this, it'll spin it to where it'll pop through those 90s.
I think you'll do it.
There you go.
So pop it back?
No, you don't have to.
Okay.
You can, but you don't have to. You can leave it straight out. But the best way to hold this is hold it. You get more leverage by holding it upside down.
Just put this up in here, right?
Yeah. So you wanna you don't want too much slack coming out. That's actually good. So just pick this up, and then just gently squeeze the trigger, and you'll feel it pop around the 90. It'll start to spin, and then if you see it, no, that's normal. Actually, okay, let's do this. Try to get the cable. You don't want too much slack on it, or it'll bind up. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Here, let me make sure this is on.
Going in.
Oh, went in? Okay, all right, perfect.
Keep going.
Yeah, just a little bit. There you go. There you go. So we got just a bunch of grease on that sucker. All right, let's do it one more time. So now we're gonna test the drain with this tester hose. Try to get it to the
bend over
to
there?
the 90, yeah. All right. A little bit's gonna come out, but you can't push it around that 90 a little as much as possible. Hard to tell. Right. Man, that's hot. Got this place on a recirc line.
Okay. Oh, I'm not saying it's okay.
It's okay, my friend.
Okay, thank you.